You're always here, you always here. Time to laugh and time to heal. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh. My favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. I'm thinking about you. I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I see that smile on your face. You told me about
I tell you, I don't know what we would have done without this tractor. So we wanted to do a special shout out for David, Bill's brother, who lent us this tractor, along with quite a few other tools that we used throughout the weeks we've been here.
my favorite song is on repeat. Drinking wine until the dawn, knowing soon we'll be back home. Ooh. I'm thinking about you. And I'm wishing that you knew. That I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. I'm wishing that you knew.
On the trays, take 1 or 2 on them, pedal bill 2 down, 25 here. With 25 bill 2, 25 here, 25 $2 down, 25 bill 2, $15 down, 10. With $10 down, 20 bill 2, $20 on them. 17 and a half here down, 20 bill 2, 17.50 down, 28 sold them, 17 and a half third number. 206. You want both trays? Yes. Head 17 down, 17, 17,
I bought one like that the other day. How much? 18.
Let's say it's a boat that we're all in together, that barely stays afloat while we all discuss the weather. your ways. How long till the break of dawn? How long till it days? How long till the break of
Like it.
It's burning. That is some
Picasso.
hard wood. That must have. That could have been an oak.
It could have been an oak.
It was a big tree.
It is
Look
a
at all these.
beautiful piece.
Oh my gosh, you counted the rings. Because, I mean, it grew so slow towards the end. But look at how dense the rings are. I mean, that could be 75 years right there. This is the trick. Oh, I'm going to trim some of these knots. Or do you like the
I
knots?
like the knots. Don't
Okay.
trim too many of them.
I'm not gonna put your foot up there
Okay.
so I can really concentrate on squaring this.
Now he's working on the braces to hold it up.
And this brace is going to go
Are you going to have to, like,
right there.
oh, no, I guess not.
And I'm going to put a little 48.
There it goes. It's okay. Let it go.
Okay, you hold that right there. I'm going to run a
Okay.
couple screws in the bottom.
Okay.
Are you good?
Well, good.
What about there, I think? Push this over here. But before I put that in, we need, how's it look straight up and down?
I don't know. You got the level.
Man, that's not too bad that way.
Perfect.
But it's this way I got to worry about because this is the way. Don't do nothing.
Okay.
Okay. Mhm. Put this on here. And that just goes right there. Can you kind of hold that?
I will.
Perfect.
Yay.
That's pretty solid.
That is very solid. And it looks great. That's going to be
And then
good.
a flag. We could even put a flag really high. You know what? Those flags hang. I'm going to come down just a touch.
Yeah, they hang down quite a bit.
Well, the plant will be clear out here, and even if the flag hangs to here, we'll be okay.
Yep. I wonder if we need a brace on the back. I'm trying to go forward. And
Yeah,
backwards
I
on
might
it.
have to put another screw in there. I think it's just. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a new brace. But it's good enough for now. I'll go look for some lumber while you're put the plant on it. Let's see what it looks like.
Okay. At the top, we're going to put a light. And then on both sides, we're going to put flag holders. And I have those in Wellsboro, so we'll get them when we go. And we put 2 hanging basket holders on it. On my bike, my plan is to put our address on this wide portion right here. I'm going to use mineral spirits to clean the bike up a bit, and then I will spray it with a protective cover. I think it's a clear lacquer.